So I bet when you clicked on that thumbnail you were going to get some video of some hot babes on the beach rubbing themselves with mud. But instead, all you got was me. But you see, when you get older, you start thinking about other things that are more important in life. Like why they canceled Senior Day at Kroger's. Or why the lines are so long at the DMV. Then you get into even more important things like we're going to cover right now. Like why are there so many commercials on TV, and just how much time do the commercials take up during each show? Well, let's find out, and what better tool to do it with than Magix Movie Edit Pro. So let's get into the technology.
Welcome to Retired Time Productions.
You see, that was a teaser. It's sort of like a commercial for what's going to come next so that you don't go ahead and click onto another video. Here, play. I went ahead and recorded a section of IE, which is entertainment television. You know, it's one of the favorite shows a lot of people watch. It's kind of like a rag magazine show that has everything about entertainment and different cute stories and things like that. And you know, some of us like to watch it, especially the wife. But anyway, I wanted to find out just what was going on there with those commercials, teasers, and ads. So here's the results right here. And if you start at the beginning of the show, you can see right there, it's an introduction that just tells you what the different segments in the show are going to be briefly. So that section there isn't really show, so I put a title underneath it that says teaser for this episode. So all of these titles along the bottom are sections that are not show. And then the ones that have no title, like this long one here, are actually content that is the show itself. So I got 4 pieces. I got this one, I got this one, I got this one, and then there's a little piece at the end here about a boy who stands on a dog to get in the refrigerator. Okay, so here we go. The first thing is actually, I think there's 3 or 4 sections right here, or segments right here, that are actually show. And then there is an advertisement, and then a teaser about the for the next episode that comes on tomorrow. And then there's more show, just a small section. And then there's another teaser, and then a commercial, and then a little bit of show. And then what's really interesting is there's another teaser here, and then the whole rest of the thing is teasers, ads, infomercials, whatever, all the way until you get to right here where you see the boy standing on the dog, and then it finishes up with complete advertising, no more show at all. So what I did was I took all 4 of those sections and moved them into another tab, another video right here, and just put those 4 sections of show in there. And what I ended up getting was, for a 30-minute show, I got 16 minutes and 23 seconds. So around 16 minutes worth of show out of a 30-minute show. So maybe it's a little better than I thought, but it's really quite shocking to find out about the last third of the show is almost all non-show material. So you could almost get down to right about here, somewhere around, if you look up top here, into it about 21 minutes right there. There's not much else. It's just pure advertising from then on, except for a little minute right here. I don't even know if it's a minute of a quick little segment. And I know this technology is tough. It's not easy to learn all these things, and that's why I do plenty of tutorials on Magix Movie Edit Pro. Just check out my channel and look at my playlist. There's plenty of information on Magix Movie Edit Pro and how to use it, including some good beginner tutorials that show you how to make a complete movie. And remember, I got your back on this, so don't give up. So just keep on watching, and we'll learn a lot more about Magix Movie Edit Pro. See you later. Here, play.